Picked up a package and I flew him back out.
What was the package?
It wasn't a what. It was a who.
Frank. It's that helicopter.
We're in an airport, so...
It's the same helicopter. November 9er 748 Charlie. November 9er 748 Charlie. See, Frank, November 9er 748.
Is that a 4?
This is a 4. Charlie.
Is that a 7? What is that?
I'll tell you
Yeah,
what it
it's a
is.
4.
We lost visual on target.
All right, shake the tree.
You'll pay for the breakage?
Yeah, roger that.
That's right, old man!
Old man? No respect. Can I kill her now? She called me an old man. Hey! Open the pig!
Okay. Damn satellites! Poop to that!
Yeah, you just stay right there. This is gonna be good.
Okay. Yeah. What are you doing? Old man, my ass.
God damn it.
Smoking thermals. Obstructed view. Signals fading.
Nice shot. Thanks. We should get out of here.